some overripe bananas? Don't throw them yet. We can still use them. Come on and make some banana muffins with me. We'll need overripe bananas, creams, butter and sugar, flour, egg, baking soda, and salt. We're gonna mash our bananas. When we're done mashing the bananas, we will add our baking soda and salt, our egg, and our creams, butter, and sugar. Then we're gonna mix them all together. We're gonna add our last ingredient, the flour, and mix it again. Then get your baking tray and grease it with oil or butter. And put the batter in the tray and put it in the oven. Then we will let it cook for about 1 hour.
Careful, it's hot.
Be careful, it's hot. Bye-bye and see you later. Hey! Our banana muffins are ready. See? Instead of throwing the bananas, we made banana muffins to share with others. I'm so excited to eat it. Bye everyone. Stay healthy, stay safe, and remember, don't waste food.